Ever wonder if your data is more like a Jedi's lightsaber or the ancient archives of the Jedi Temple? Knowing the difference between a database and a data warehouse could be the key to unlocking your true potential for your data. Whether you're making split-second decisions or understanding long-term trends, let's dive into how each one works and why they're both essential for your business. So I'm Chris Gamble, and with 25 years of experience in data, I've seen just how the right tools can make all the difference in making your data work for you. Today, we're going to talk about the difference between a database and a data warehouse and why this distinction can be a game-changing event for your business. So let's start with the database. A database is like a Jedi's lightsaber, designed for quick, real-time actions in the same way that a Jedi uses their lightsaber for immediate tasks, like cutting through enemies or obstacles. A database is built for the day-to-day operations of your business. It's fast, responsive, and made for handling transactions like adding new customer orders, updating your inventory, or fetching a list of employees. Some key features, just like a lightsaber's focus on the precision of a moment, a database is optimized for transactional operations. Those transactional operations have an acronym, CRUD. Create, Read, Update, Delete. It's built for speed, efficiency, and handling small real-time tasks. Let's say you run a business. You're using a database to handle each sale, update inventory levels, and manage customer data. Each of these transactions happens in real time, just like the quick reactions of a lightsaber in battle. Now, imagine the Jedi Archives, the vast repository of knowledge where centuries of galactic history, battle tactics, and ancient wisdom are stored. This is your data warehouse. It's not for quick actions, but in-depth analysis, helping you understand the bigger picture. While a lightsaber is perfect for real-time tasks, the archives help you plan and strategize for long-term decisions. One key feature is that a data warehouse is designed to consolidate large volumes of data from vast different resources over time. It organizes this data by functional areas like sales, finance, and customer behavior. Just like the Jedi Archives are categorized into sections for galactic history, force studies, and planetary systems. For example, if you want to see the performance of your business over the last 5 years, you wouldn't use a transactional database. You'd dive into your data warehouse. This is where all the historical data lives, ready for deep analysis. The big difference between a database and a data warehouse, you ask? Well, it comes down to how your data is structured and used. In the same way that Jedi Archives are carefully organized into specific sections, a data warehouse organizes your data into functional areas, so you can analyze trends across the business easily. So why are functional areas and why does modeling matter? A database is typically designed to store current, real-time data and is structured for efficiency for that. But a data warehouse goes one step further. It models data for analysis, grouping it by functional areas, versus where a transactional database, the data might be normalized to reduce redundancy. In a data warehouse, the focus shifts by organizing data in a way that makes analysis fast and easy. For example, one of those types of architecture will be the star schema or snowflake schema. In a data warehouse, we use these schemas to produce to group related data together, like putting the history of the Jedi training techniques in one section while battle strategies may be in another. This structure helps you to run complex queries across massive data sets without slowing everything down. For example, say you're analyzing your sales data. The data might tell you what sales were made today, but in the data warehouse, you can look at how the sales have trended over time across the past few years, segmented by product, region, and even time of year. The data warehouse is optimized for these deep, complex analyses. What's your biggest challenge that you face with your data? Is it getting access to it, or being able to analyze it for long-term decisions? Tell me down in the comments. So, let's look at a real-world case. Here's where the database and the data warehouses differ even more. A database is perfect for operational needs, quick, real-time actions. But a data warehouse is what you turn to when you need to understand the bigger picture, like trends, forecasts, and to be used for your strategic planning. For example, a database might tell you how many customers visited your online store today, but a data warehouse will help you understand how many customers have visited your website over time, what time of day they've visited, as well as what times a year may be peak seasons for your business. If you're looking for which marketing campaigns have the best return on investment, data warehouse. If you're looking to understand how frequently your customers return and which products that they focus on when they do return to your website, also data warehouse. So you see here that it's the difference between seeing the immediate battle versus planning your long-term strategy for the next galactic war. So, when should you use the database versus when should you use your data warehouse? Think of it this way. Your database is for real-time operational tasks. It's fast, responsive, and efficient, like a lightsaber. But when you need to dive deep into the big picture, pull insights from years of data, and make long-term strategic decisions for your business, the data warehouse, like the Jedi Archives, is your go-to. If this helped clear up the difference between a database and a data warehouse for you today, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons below for more data tips and tricks. And may the data and the Force be with you in your data journeys.